guys, welcome to Tech Brothers. Today we are going to unbox the new Samsung Galaxy on7 Pro. It can cost you around 11,000 in the market. As you can see, it has 5.5-inch TFT display with 13 megapixel primary and 5 megapixel front camera, 1.2 GHz quad-core processor, 16 GB internal memory and external up to 256 and 2 GB of RAM. It also has S-Bike mode, voice over LTE and ultra data saving mode. So let's get started. Let's open the box. As I open the box, the very first thing is the phone itself. Let's keep it aside and see what's inside the box. Quick start guide and other documentations. Travel adapter of 1 ampere. Micro USB cable. Samsung earphones. And finally the battery. You can see that it is 3000 mAh. Okay, let's open the back panel and insert the battery. Let's power it up. As you can see, on the left side we have volume rockers and at the bottom we have USB port and headphone jack, and on the right side power button and nothing on the top side. Here I am having the gold one and it is also available in white and black colors. If we talk about the screen, it is 5.5-inch TFT display with 70.3% screen to body ratio and resolution of 720 x 1280 pixels. Okay, I have completed the first boot. Let's check the Android version. You can see that it is Marshmallow, that is Android version 6.0.1. It also has Google Apps and Microsoft apps. Okay, now let's check the camera. The primary camera is of 13 megapixel with f2.1 aperture and autofocus with LED flash. It can shoot videos at 1080 pixels at 30 frames per second. As you can see, it can take sharp pictures with great color. Now let's see its gaming performance. I am playing Asphalt 8. The on7 Pro comes with 2 GB RAM, whereas on7 comes with 1.5 GB. Two GB of RAM is excellent for gaming. As you can see, it runs smooth and there is no lagging at all. Let's try one another game. Let's play Subway Surfer. As you can see, it is also working properly. There is no lag at all. Finally, I would say, in my opinion, it is the best budget phone around 10,000 with great features.